Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, today SPY was down just a little bit going into the close. It sold off a smidge more, like heading into the close of the last 4 minutes of the day. I was going through some of our scanners today and found quite an interesting trade, which led me to believe, well, at least wonder, whether NVIDIA is going to be down tomorrow. Let's take a look. So here's our scanners. Got Options Rater, and which is our short squeeze finder, and Credit Spread Genius. This is the one that came up today. So these were the first 3 trades of the day. They all happened in the first 8 minutes of the day. So somebody sold the 138, 143 call credit spread in NVIDIA that expires tomorrow, and then did it again. This is like first 20 seconds of the morning. That's when the stock was at 137.19. So that's pretty close to the money, pretty aggressive. Then about 8 minutes later, they actually sold even a lower strike. They sold the 137, 142 call credit spread. It was when the stock was down about 50 cents more. So when somebody sells these really close to the money spreads, it makes me wonder, hey, does somebody know something? Is there something that I'm missing? Is there some reason why somebody is putting on this aggressive spread? So here, let's take a look at NVIDIA's chart. As you can see, we've got kind of a, well, not kind of, we've got a doji on very low volume. This is about the lowest volume we've seen in the last 6 months. So people are not really caring too much about this. Now, we'll close today below the 50-day moving average. So that former support line becomes a resistance line. As you can see, it kind of tested it here, closed below it here, closed just above it yesterday. So this does kind of look like a more decisive finalization of the entry into the down move. So that I thought I would share with you because it's interesting, and you might have some opportunity tomorrow morning, if you sense weakness, to be able to play this through. But there's one more thing before we go. We are going to be talking short squeezes this week. Now, short squeezes, they are a potentially very high profit trade opportunity, and that is one of our scanners also that we have. And I want to share it with you, introduce what short squeezes are, how they work, how we can identify them often before the short squeeze actually even occurs, and how they show up in our scanner and what the logic is. So I hope you'll join us. Please go to markettaker.com/REG. Click the button, markettaker.com/REG, and join us. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.